Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. You are welcome to this very channel. If you do enjoy the video, you know what to do. Consider subscribing. And this is what is this? Episode 9 of season 3. We are still on the beading series. Let's dive right into the video. Yeah, so my thread is still connected to the main thread, and I've put a needle at one end. I actually have only one end though, so I'm just going to pick as many of the seed bead as I can. I'm using gold seed bead and different colors of seed bead. You see them shortly. So this is how I'm just going to pick my seed bead on the needle. Once again, my thread is still attached to the main thread. You can see that I'm using 0.25. Am I talking too fast? I'm using 0.25 beading thread. Yeah, and I'm just picking my bead, my seed bead. So you pick as many as you want, as much as you have to. Yeah, and you just keep on pushing it down. If you have to unroll some of the thread, then you just do that. Yeah, I don't know if that's a good English, but I just have to make room for more beads to go on the thread, basically that. So let's go ahead and pick, and yeah, if you do enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for me. And at the end of the video, I'll introduce the next episode, which is episode 10. So make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what to be doing the next episode, which is episode 10. And once I got to the length I want, I cut the thread from the main source and I went ahead to measure it, and it was 35 centimeters when I doubled it. So that means if you are measuring it singly, then it's going to be 70 centimeters, but in this form it's 35 centimeters, so that's 35 centimeters. I went ahead to tie the two ends together. So I'm just going to get rid of the needle and the long thread and then tie the two ends together. Just like so. So you do this for as many thread as you want, just for the demonstration's sake. I did quite a few of this with different colors. You can do with all your leftover beads, just be creative about it. So this is what I have, and I'm just going to fold it into two like this. Now I'm folding it again. So this is what you should have. So this one, then I went ahead to do the same thing for other colors. So this is what I have. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So about 7 of that. You can do as many as you want. Now I'm just going to arrange it. Just watch closely. So you see how the first one was. If you didn't see, just go back and watch. Now I'm passing the next one through it. Make sure you have enough space to accommodate the new one. Yeah, I don't know if that makes sense, but I believe you can see. Yeah, I know you are sharp, like you are sharp, you can see. So yeah, that's what we are doing now. I'm just going to arrange them nicely. Now when you get to the last one, you don't tie the bead like we did earlier. You leave it open, and I'm just going to lock the two ends. So I'm just passing the end of the thread back through just one of the seed bead, just like I just did. Boss, my nigga, boss. Yeah, and I'm just going to pass it through. Just watch closely. I'm not going to talk. I won't disturb you. Just watch. Did you just see that? Did you just see? Yeah, it was really, really simple. You just pass it through a couple of times, as many as you want. I wanted it to go 4 times, so I did it like that. And I'm just going to tie the thread eventually and get rid of the excess thread. So once that was done, I got rid of the excess thread and I just made sure it's the same. The length is the same for all the 4 there. So you just arrange it to get all the threads, all the beads to be equal. And guys, this is what you have. So yeah, we've scammed them. Now they don't know how we did it, okay. So to finish it up, I'm using the same 0.25 beading thread. If you have any bigger thread like 0.4 or 0.3, that will be okay. So I went ahead to cut about 60 centimeters and I'm just going to finish it with it. So this is what you have. Now this is a bead cap. This is the small size I'll be using. This is how the big one looks like. It just covers the knot or covers your shame, yeah. So I'm just going to put the small one. I'm passing the 2 threads through it. Then you push it down and you realize it covers it just like so, right? Yeah. Now I'm just going to arrange a couple of beads on it, put stoppers, and then finally lock it and we'll be out of here. So just watch closely. It's very, very easy and very, very simple. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much once again for stopping by my channel. No, if you are new, then you've not stopped by before, yeah, if you are new, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. This is Pama Tutorials. We are on season 3 of the beading series. We've already dealt with season 1 and 2. Season 1 was about slippers, season 2 was about bracelets, and season 3 is about necklace. We are doing 30 amazing designs, and this is episode 9 of season 3. We have about 21 more episodes to go. So if you want to see nice, amazing, crazy, interesting, gorgeous designs, then please subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode, which I'll introduce at the end of this video, is uploaded. So I went ahead to arrange the beads just like so. I'm going to put 2 stoppers. So I'm using gold stoppers. I'm going to put 2 of the gold stoppers. The stoppers stop the thread from removing once you press it. Now I'm going to put 1 part of the locker on it. Then I'm passing my thread back through the stoppers and through 2 of the beads. So you make sure you pull your work very tight. You don't leave any loose end. You don't want to be a loser. Like if you cause any loose end, then you're no one's a loser here. So you just want to tighten your work so that you get a nice work. That's all. Then I went ahead to press the stoppers like my life depends on it, because my life really depends on it. If I cut the thread off, the excess thread off, and I don't press it well, everything will be ruined. So I went ahead to press it very, very well, and guys, I present to you episode 9. Are we zooming in or zooming out? I think we are zooming in. Yeah, so this is episode 9. Let me know in the comment section what you think about episode 9. Very, very simple, very, very easy to do. Everybody can do. You can do for a friend, you can do to sell, and like it's easy and very, very simple to do. Now let's welcome episode 10. Yo guys, so this is what we're doing, episode 10. We are doing this gorgeous design here in episode 10. So if you want to really know how we did it, you see the bead cap we talked about earlier. Yeah, it's coming live and colored. So if you want to know about episode 10, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in episode 10. Bye.